gone. Oh well, let's take a look at mine then. Old Lazarus, raised from the dead. No oil pressure, but it runs very nicely actually. It's Rob Connor supposed to be filming him, not me. So it's what is it? Thursday, May sometime. May the 16th, I think it is. Where are you, Rob? Oh, here he comes. This is a car on the way. There's always a car. The thing is, I can't see the camera properly. Well, back to mine again. Back to old Lazarus. Yeah, this is Entry Bay on the Isle of Bute. Strange sort of day. It's sort of bright, but there's drops of rain all the time. It's a beautiful farm up there. There are all these cars coming from because there's nothing down there. It's supposed to be killed the van, and there's about 3 houses down there. There's an old farm down there. Maybe that's where they're coming from. Where's Rob? He's gone home. I'm going to stop it.